Today we're going to work a few questions on Poisson distribution. Let's start with an easy question. So the question is, given that x follows Poisson 2, find the probability that x is equal to 3, probability of x is less or equal to 2, probability of x is greater than 3. Now, for you to be able to do this question, you need to know the formula for calculating probabilities in a Poisson distribution. So let's first write the formula. So the formula for calculating probabilities is probability of x is equal to x, so x can take any values, is equal to e power negative lambda times lambda power x divided by x factorial, for x can take 0, 1, 2 and so on. So we need to apply this formula in the question. So the first part says we need to find x is equal to 3, the probability of x equal to 3. So first part, we have x follows Poisson 2. So we need to find probability of x is equal to 3 is equal to, now, exponential power negative lambda. Now x follows Poisson, the parameter is 2, the parameter lambda is 2. So we know that it's going to be e power negative lambda which is 2 multiplied by lambda, 2 power 3 over 3 factorial. Now you use calculator to find the probabilities. So we have, so 2 power 3, 8 over 3 factorial, and then we're going to multiply by exponential negative 2. So the answer is 8 divided by 6, you multiply by the exponential of negative 2. So the answer is 0.180. So this one was the first part. Now the second part is we need to find the probability of x is less or equal to 2. Now we know that the values of x can take from 0 till infinity, but we need up till 2. Now it says here less or equal to 2. Now we do know that we need to include the 2. Now lesser part of 2 is going to be what? 0, 1, 2. So the probability will include what? Probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. Now we need to calculate probabilities for each values of x. So the first one says x equal to 0. Now there is an easy way of doing it, is by simply taking the common factor. We know that the common factor will be, from our previous video we've seen that common factor is going to be the e power negative 2, and then inside the bracket we are going to have what? 2 power 0 over 0 factorial plus 2 power 1 over 1 factorial plus 2 power 2 over 2 factorial. Again, you use calculator to get the answer. So we're going to work the bracket first. So we have 2 power 0 over 0 factorial. 2 power 0 is 1 over 0 factorial, which is 1. So we have e power negative 2, open bracket, we have 1 plus 2 power 1 is 2 over 1 factorial, which is 1. We're going to have 2, and then the last one, 2 power 2, 4 over 2 factorial is going to be 2. So we have what? 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5. So we're going to take the calculator. We're going to 5 multiplied by exponential power negative 2. So the answer is 0.677 up to 3 significant figures. Okay, so that was the second part. Now calculating the third part. This time it says you need to calculate the probability of x is greater than 3. So x greater than 3. This time we need more than 3. Do we need to include the 3? No, because we do not have the equal to sign here. So again we do a number line 3. Now it starts by 3, but we do not include the 3. So after 3 we have 4, 5, 6 up till infinity. Now this is time consuming. We won't be able to do that, right? So basically we're going to take 1 minus the values that we do not want. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. We know that we need to find probabilities more than 3. So we're going to take what? 1 minus 0, 1, 2, 3. So basically we need to take what? Probability. So we're going to take 1 minus probability of x is less or equal to 3. Now this is going to include what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's calculate this probability. So we have 1 minus, so again we're going to include what? x0, x1, x2, x3. So we have e power negative 2, again 2 power 0 over 0 factorial plus 2 power 1 over 1 factorial plus 2 power 2 over 2 factorial plus 2 power 3 over 3 factorial. So again use calculate to calculate this part, multiply by exponential power negative 2, and then 1 minus the answer. So I'll give you a few seconds to calculate this part. You can pause the video if you like. Okay, so we have 2 power 0, so 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 over 6. We have 6 1/3. You're going to multiply by the exponential of negative 2. So we're going to have 0.85712. Now since this is not the final answer, I'm going to take a little bit more than 3 as well, just to have an accurate answer. Now we're going to take 1 minus the answer. So 1 minus answer is equal to, so the value is, the probability is 0.14. So here we have 2 of the 2, we have 8, so it's more than 5, so we're going to add 1 to the 2, which is 0.143. So this was an easy question on Poisson distribution. Hope you understood the question. Thank you. Bye bye.